Hi, I'm Roane. I'm the Corporate VP of Product Management for AI and AI Ecosystem Development, and I'm here sitting with Faye Arjomandi, who's the CEO and founder of Mimik. Faye, welcome.
Thank
Do
you.
you want to tell us a little bit about what you do at Mimik?
Yes, Mimik is a software company. We're really about freeing agents to utilize any computing from platform, from endpoint device to on-premise to multi-cloud. So they can now discover each other automatically, collaborate with each other in order to drive the mission to completion in a real physical world. And we have integrated entirely with AMD software stack, ROCm, and we're utilizing all AMD platform right now. And we're showcasing a real life solution about physical AI in action.
I saw your demo. It's pretty impressive. You're using FPGA and adaptive SoCs in smart cameras. You have also an FPGA-based robot.
Robots, yes.
And it's all being directed by the smart camera that do compute either locally or on the cloud.
Yes.
So on a EPYC CPU or an Instinct GPU.
Yes.
And
yes.
so they're all connected, but it's not orchestrated. They're independent agents talking to each other, warning that something is happening in real life and taking decisions by doing small compute locally or big compute in the cloud.
And the cloud, just the way that human operates. So Mimik is about systems that mimic human behavior, right? In the physical world,
Therefore the name.
interact, exactly.
Okay.
In the physical world, the way we interact is much more natural based on the context, based on event at that time. Mobile applications are rigid entities. But when we talk about agentic system, they're like human beings. Based on the context at the time and an event, they should decide what to do, who to work with, which AI model, which compute, where they are. And if we are in one location, like in this place, we should be able to interact more directly without the need to go out and come back in. So that's what is called network offline first. But yet at the same time, if we have a big task, like human being, we have a big job. Hey, call this person, call that person to come and rescue and help. So when the agent has a big task, it has to find different compute like cloud, and it has to split its task to different EPYC in the cloud across different providers, CPU, GPU, depending on what the need is, in order to bring it all together and deliver it.
This is very exciting because we talk about the evolution of AI going from machine learning to deep learning and LLMs and reasoning models and agentic and eventually physical AI. And you actually have integrated all of that in your demo with your software solutions.
Exactly. And it's a live system. I'm going to shy away from the term demo because demo usually means scripted. This is a live system, and exactly we shifted the timeline forward. So all the evolution that we discussed is now available in real time, in real life, that can get deployed.
And you have real life customers using your software across the stack from edge to cloud.
Exactly. And thank you for mentioning that. This is already being rolled out, getting rolled out, and we have different customers across intelligence space, maritime, Department of Defense, because of tactical edge. It's about that exact moment. What should I do based on what security, based on what privacy, based on what the situation is. So companies such as Carosoft are our partner that they're rolling out into the Department of Defense and government. It's agentic world is much more horizontal. In the mobile application, we think vertical. In an agentic world, if I'm solving the problem of autonomy of a car or a drone, I'm solving the problem of autonomy in everything else, right? So that's what really Mimik shifted the time forward and brings certainty to developers and to enterprises, because the enterprise demand changes, the developer demand changes. They need to be able to change the AI model. They need to be able to change the computing. And that's what gives them the flexibility and certainty, because they can evolve the system as their need evolves.
That's very good. Thanks for your vision. And AMD is really proud to be working with Mimik.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Thank
Faye.
you. It's been a pleasure.